Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the device with a reliable USB cable and unlocking the screen so the system exposes connection options. Once connected, swipe down to reveal the USB notification or Open Settings connections. You need to switch from charging only to a data mode. This exposes media transfer protocols. Make sure the computer side is ready to accept the connection, and if prompted, choose Allow or Trust so the device and host can exchange files securely. Now you select the correct transfer protocol. Pick MTP or file transfer, not PTP or charging. This tells the system to present internal storage as a media device so your computer can read and write files. If an authorization dialog appears, tap Allow or Trust. This grants necessary permissions and prevents repeated prompts. Once set, open your computer's file manager to confirm the device appears. If it does, you're ready to move photos, music, and videos between devices safely and efficiently. Finish by transferring files and then safely ejecting the device from the computer to avoid corruption. If the device does not show up, try toggling the USB mode back and forth, switching cables, or using a different USB port. Many issues are cable or port related. Make sure device drivers and permissions are up to date on the computer. On some phones, enabling USB debugging can interfere, so keep it off unless you need it. If problems persist, restart both devices and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.